simplify. You have to just simplify these two. Okay, log 20 minus log 2 minus 2 log 5. Question number 2, log 4 by 7 plus log 33 by 18 minus log 22 by 21. So solution, okay, given log 20 minus log 2 minus 2 log 5. Okay, now you see here, so is equal to log this. I have already told you that the minus change into divide. Okay, minus change into division. So this is minus, so it will be changed into divide. Okay, this is called that quotient law. Okay, quotient law we have already learned that log m minus log n equal to log m by n. Okay, this is the quotient law. This is the quotient law. Log m minus log n equal to log m by n. So same pattern, same law is used here. You say log 20 minus log 2 equal to log 20 by 2. So minus this 2. Okay, I have already told in the previous video also, I told you that the number should be brought here as exponent. Okay, so log 2 log 5 is written log 5 to the power 2. Okay, now you see here 2 20, 2 10 is 20, 10 times log 10 minus log 5 square is 25. Okay, again you can, now it is also in minus, so again you can change them, or you can write them in the form of division. Okay, minus change into division, so log 10 by 25. Again if you do the cancelling, it will come 5 to the 10, 5 5 is 25, 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 you cannot either you can write in this way also. You could have written 2 by 5 as answer. Okay, you could have written 2 by 5, log 2 by 5 as answer, or I have written log like division again can be written in the form of minus. So log 2 minus log 5, you can write either in this way or in this way. Both the way are correct. Okay, now in the next solution, you see here log 4 by 7 plus log 33 by 18 minus log 22 by 21. Okay, so I have already told you that addition, okay, change into multiplication. Addition change into multiplication. We have already learned addition like log m plus log n. This law we have already learned. Okay, addition change into multiplication. So log multiply m multiply n. Okay, m multiply n. So addition change into multiplication. Addition change into multiplication. This is the addition and it is changed into multiplication. This is called product law. This is called product law. So it is addition, you see here, change into multiplication. Okay, log 4 by 7 multiply 33 by 18. So after cancelling we have got 66 by 63, and here I have not done anything. I have written this same. Okay, now after that again I have got here difference, minus, you get minus change into divide, minus change into divide. So log 66 by 63 minus change into divide 22 by 21. Now divide, you have to just to simplify these two, we have to just write the reciprocal form. After cancelling we have got log 1, and we have already learned that log of 1 to any base is always 0. Log of 1 to any base is always 0. So log of 1 to any base is always 0. So log 1 is 0. I have written log of 1 to any base is always 0. Value is 0. So answer is 0 here. Okay. Now another question I also solved here. You see here question number, example number 3. 2 log 3 minus half log 64 plus log 16. Okay. So I have already told you that if there is number before the log, then we should write that number as exponent. Okay, like this 2 is written here as exponent, this half is written here as exponent. Okay, there is no number. Now you see here log 3 square is 9. Okay, and actually I have written plus together. Okay, log 3 square is 9 plus, and then after that log 16 I have written. This is with minus, so I have written at last. Okay, so minus log 8. Now you see here addition change into multiplication. So log 9 multiply 16 minus, how this 8? First you have to understand. Log 64 half. Power is half. Half means square root. Half means square root. Square root 16 is 8. Square root of 16 is 8. That's why like 64 half can be written square root 64. Okay, 64. If power is half means square root 64. Square root of 64 is 8. Okay. 64 power is half. It means square root 64. Square root 64 is 8. So I have written log 64 power half means log 8. Okay. Now you see here addition change into multiplication. Addition change into multiplication. Minus same. Okay. This is the product law. Okay. Product law. Applying the product law. This is written addition change into multiplication. Log 9 multiply 16 minus log 8. Now again this is you just, it is what? Subtraction. Subtraction change into division. So this you have to take as 1. You can multiply also. Without multiply also you can write. No problem. So log 9 multiply 16 divided by 8. Now subtraction change into division. So this will go as division. Okay. 8 to the 16. So 9 to the 18. Log 18. Log 18 is the answer. Number 4. Okay. 2 plus 1 by 3 log 27 base 10 minus 2 log 5 base 10. Okay. 2 log this I have just removed this. Okay. First I have to remove the number before the log. This 1 by 3 went there as exponent. Okay. This 2 is written here as exponent. Now 2 plus log now this see here 27 power 1 by 3. It means cube root 27. Okay. Cube root 27 is 3. So okay, if you find out the cube root of 27 you will get the answer 3. So 27 power 1 by 3 means cube root 27. Cube root 27 is 3. So here I have written 3. Okay. Minus log 5 square is 25. After that you see here 2. 2 is given, no? So all base is 10. You see here base is 10, but there is no log. So this also is written in the form of log. So how to write? That 2 means log of 100 to the base 10 is always 2. Log of, I have told you that log of 10 to the base 10 is 1. Log of 100 to the base 10 is 2. Log of 1000 to the base 10 is 3. So whatever 0 is there, okay, how many zeros are there? That much will be the value. If there will be 2 0, 2 will be the value. Log of 100 will be 2. Log of 1000, in 1000 3 zeros, so value will be 3. Log of 10,000, there will be in 10,000 there will be 4 0, so value will be 4. Got my point? So log of 100 to the base 10 is always 2. So in place of 2 here you see, in place of 2 I have written log of 100 to the base 10. Why I have written this? Because others are given in log form, but it is in given a number, in the form of a number. Okay. So this is a natural number. So this must be converted to log form. So if you want to write this into log form, you have to write log of 100 to the base 10 only. Because other are given in the base of 10. So this also should be written in the base of 10 only. Okay. Now you see here. After that you see here it is addition. Addition should be changed into multiplication. Product law you have already learned. So base 10 10 10. If you want to remove the base also, if you don't want to write the base, is okay. No need to write the base. Okay. Now after this step I have now removed the base. I have not written any base because all have 10 10 10 as base. So I have removed from here. Okay. So addition change into multiplication. So 100 multiply 3. 100 multiply 3 minus log 25. Now again subtraction. Subtraction change into division. So 25 came here as division. Okay. So log 100 multiply 3 by 25. 25 4 ja log 12 is the answer. The next question you see here. Log 6 plus 2 log 5 plus log 4 minus log 3 minus log 2. You see here. Again this number is given before the log, that should be written here in the form of exponent. Okay. And this I have written in the form of exponent, and here minus. I have taken minus as common here. Okay. Just to bring, just to change this sign. so it will be plus. Okay, now you see here, now plus plus, here plus plus, all three have plus, so addition change into multiplication. Okay, so log 6 plus log 5 square or 25 plus log 4 can be written log 6 multiply 25 multiply 4. Addition change into multiplication, minus this log 3 plus log 2, log 3 plus log 2 can be written log 3 multiply 2. Okay, this addition also change into multiplication. Now you see here, now again here you see it, subtraction. Okay, now subtraction will change into division, so this will go as division here. So 6 multiply 25 multiply 4, total divided by 3 multiply 2. After cancelling we have got log 100. Log of 100 is always 2. I have already told you, log of 100 is always 2. Okay, log of 100 is 2. Base, if there is no base, means base is always 10. So log of 100 to the base 10 is always 2. This is the answer. Okay, the next question you see here, one question is here, so that you have to prove that 7, you see the question. Okay, you see the question, 7 log 16 by 15 plus 5 log 25 by 24 plus 3 log 81 by 80 equal to log 2. You have to prove that this is equal to log 2. Okay, so question number LHS. LHS means the part which is given before the equal to is LHS, and the part which is given after the equal to that is RHS. Okay, now you just have to solve it. Okay, now 7 should be written as power before log, as power is written, 5 is written as power, 3 is written here as power, you see here. Okay, after that log, this is addition, you see here, addition change into multiplication. Okay, product law you have to apply here, addition change into multiplication, log this multiply this multiply this. Okay, base should be same. After that you see here 16, this is very tough. If you multiply 16 7 times, then you will get very big number, so we don't have to multiply in that way. You have to write them into exponential form. Okay, index notation you have to write, like 16 can be written 2 to the power 4, means if you multiply 2 4 times you will get 16. So 15 can be written 3 multiply 5. In that way this also broke, this number is also broke in this way. Okay, now after that you see here 2, this power comes to all the number, 7 4 7s are 28, 2 to the power 28, 3 to the power 7, 5 to the power 7, 5 to the power 5 to the 10, 2 to the power 5 3 is 15, 3 to the power 5, here 3 to the power 4 3 is 12, 2 to the power 4 3 is 12, 5 to the power 3. Okay, after that up I have written the same, down you see 3 to the power 7 here, 3 to the power 5 here, so it is written 3 to the power 12, because in multiplication powers are added. In indices we have learned 5 to the power 7 here, 5 to the power 3 here, so that is why 5 to the power 10, 2 to the power 15 here, 2 to the power 12 here, so it is 2 to the power 27. So here I can say 3 to the power 12, 3 to the power 12 cancel, 5 to the power 10, 5 to the power 10 cancel. Now by 2 to the power 27 I have cancelled 2 to the power 28, 28 is cancel, only 2, so log 2. Okay, log 2 is RHS, you see here what is given in the RHS, log 2. What answer we got? Log 2, it means this equal to RHS, proved. Okay, now two more example is there, evaluate, you have to just evaluate this. Okay, log 32 by log 4 equal to, this is not in the form of division. Okay, this cannot be changed into form of subtraction. Okay, so you have to separately, you have to write this, log 32 can be written 2 to the power 5, 4 can be written 2 to the power 2. So here power comes before the log. Okay, this is the 5, power comes before the log, 5 log 2, here 2 log 2, log 2 same, cancel, 5 by 2 is the answer. Same here is it, 27 3 to the power 3, 9 3 to the power 2, so power comes before log, power comes before log, 3 log 3, 2 log 3, Log 3 cancel, 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay.